What's up, everybody? We're doing another product review. I don't even remember the last one I did. We're gonna be reviewing the level lock here. Level lock, focus, the level lock. And basically this is a smart lock, but what's different about it is, the smart part about it is it doesn't go on top of your on top of your deadbolt like a lot of other smart locks do. This one actually acts as your deadbolt. You can keep your same keys and it's the same deadbolt, it's just the internals that are different. It's pretty cool. And the weird thing is I haven't seen any reviews on like YouTube, so I'm hopefully going to be the first one. HomeKit compatible. You can invite people to your house, you can control it when you're away from your home, and you can have it unlock automatically when your phone gets close, like within the area, like all through HomeKit. It's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna install this on camera because there's not really anything to see, but I will open the box, show you what's inside, and then we can configure the app, and hopefully that'll be it. I mean, it's pretty simple packaging. There's not a whole lot to see, but you know, no one else has put anything on YouTube. So this is $250. I reserved it earlier, so I got $50 off. They didn't send it to me for free. I bought it with my own money, so hopefully it's good. So without further ado, we'll get to opening this up. Alright, so we're gonna just open this up. Gotta be careful with the knife, I cut myself before. Throw that away, put this away. So really nice packaging. Home starts here. I don't think we'll need this box. So first thing, we got instruction book and a part list. So we got some screws, a battery. It's a CR2 battery, but it looks kind of like a AA battery. We have our bolt, strike plate, tailpiece adapters. I think that goes here. And then this is the motor. Pretty cool. Quick start guide. Just basically tells you how to install it. Look at that later. And then here is the lock itself. So I'm not gonna go through everything, but this is basically what I just showed you. So it's really small. So basically you replace your deadbolt, and then you put this in and it slides kind of like that, and then it works like a regular lock. So this is the lock portion. We have a bag of screws here. Here's our CR2 battery. Focus please. So here's our CR2 battery, really small. Here's our strike plate. It's very solidly built. And here are the adapters. I'm gonna go install this, and then we're gonna set it up with the app. Failed at putting this lock in. I ran into a couple of issues. The number one being current deadbolt, the thing that goes through that connects both parts. You're supposed to use one of these to put the little stick through, but none of these are the right size. So that's a problem. And then the other issue was that this strike plate is much bigger than the one I already have. So let's pretend we got it to work. Hopefully I can figure out the rest of like this stuff later. But we can pretend this works, and we'll pretend it's in a door and see how it functions. Alright, it's connected. And so let's see. Let's rename it. The front door. Default room, living room. Definitely include in favorites. Alright, arrive home will unlock, of course. Good night lock. leave home lock. Pretty simple, I think. Now let's try locking it. Okay, so it works. Now we're gonna lock it. And lock. Okay, there we go. Cool, so it works. Now let's go to the level app. And we'll add a lock. Continue. We've already kind of done this, sort of. Let's see, we did all this. Kind of goes through the instructions. Okay, we'll skip it. Front door, New York. Update the firmware. And we'll be right back once we update this firmware. Alright, so that's pretty much it. What's also cool about the app is you can add friends and give people access to your home if you need it. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I'll try and figure out what I could do about installing this. Initial impression's pretty good. I'll make a follow-up video hopefully within the next week, and hopefully we can solve this issue of getting it actually installed into a door. For the sake of not setting up all my equipment again, I'm just going to use my iPhone to give you an update on the smart lock. So I needed to buy a new deadbolt, which was compatible because the one I had was not compatible. I found this cool one by Quickset. This is the old deadbolt in here. I'm going to save it just in case. But it's cool because you can change the key, so that way I can just keep using the same key that I've been using and not need to remake keys or tell my landlord, really. So it's all the same. It works now. The last thing is that I need to drill holes into the frame for the strike plate, but that'll be pretty easy. And yeah, so it's been working pretty cool. Even if I forget the door unlocked by accident or I go to bed, I can at least control it from my phone and not really have to worry about it. Right now, I'm totally cool with this product and it's pretty awesome. And if you're looking for a smart lock that's gonna be not as bulky as the other options that might be out there, definitely consider the level lock. So all the stuff that I talked about is going to be in the description. I'm going to go work on probably this vlog, or I'm going to work on another vlog. I've got like 3 vlogs on the queue, so I'm going to head out and do that. Anyway, if you like this video, thumb it up. If you hated it, just close the tab, don't do anything. If you want to subscribe. Yeah, that's it for me.